Welcome to Aqua Arc, where the majesty of Ras Al Khaimah's Jay's mountain meets the serene beauty of the sea. This is more than just a residence. It's a sanctuary of luxury and tranquility. From the moment you arrive, Aqua Arc exudes opulence. Our grand entrance, elevated 5 meters above street level, welcomes you into a double-height lobby adorned with lush plantations and cascading water features. Every apartment at Aqua Arc is fully furnished with elegant finishes and meticulous design. Our range of residences includes everything from cozy one-bedroom apartments to opulent penthouses. Experience breathtaking sea views and vistas of the world's largest resorts from many of our exquisite apartments. Our premium units feature private terraces with pools, providing a luxurious escape for the discerning resident. Aqua Arc provides world-class amenities, including an amphitheater for live performances, a recreational area for various activities, a state-of-the-art platinum gym, and a kids' splash pad for endless fun. Our community also features a barbecue area perfect for gatherings, a rooftop pool with stunning views, steam and sauna facilities for relaxation, and scenic walking trails for leisurely strolls. At Aqua Arc, you invest in more than just luxury. You secure your future at the heart of Marjan Island's elite community, just minutes from the world's largest resorts, WIN. This prestigious location guarantees a high-value investment with high returns. Experience the epitome of luxury and serenity at Aqua Arc, where every detail is crafted to perfection, offering unparalleled views, exquisite amenities, and an investment in a lifestyle of elegance and peace. BNW Developments.